We're here in front of the law courts because I'm going to be filing a human rights claim on behalf of women, self-represented litigants, and the disabled toward the family law system.
And why are you doing this?
I'm doing this because last year at this time I was working in Afghanistan, and we know the situation over there is pretty desperate, and yet the women have stepped up to represent their country, and they're joining the police, the military. They're targeted for assassinations, but they're standing by and trying to rebuild their justice. And here in Canada, this is not my Canada here at the family law courts, because we are failing families. And women and children are in a two-tier system here, and most of us cannot afford to continue legal actions. My main concern is the systemic discrimination that is throughout the court system, particularly in family law. People do not want to represent themselves, but financially, the courts are too expensive. Legal aid is only for people who are making less than $1,400 a month. And so even if you're middle class, you can't access any of the resources. However, if you're an alleged criminal who's been arrested, you have full support from the legal aid process. There is open systemic discrimination towards women and children. Children are losing out. BC has the highest child poverty rate. I do blame, to a certain extent, what is happening in the court system. We need policies, we need cases where we have one judge per case family file. Right now we have a lot of resources, especially here in Vancouver. However, they're being mismanaged. People with money can quote paper opposing litigants and keep them in the courts. So it's completely two-tier.